Today I'm going to demo how to use the beading foot and bead guide on the Husqvarna Viking Amber Air Serger. The first thing we need to do is to open up this front part, then the side, because this bead guide slips into a slot here on the side. Then there is a screw here that needs to be tightened to hold it snugly in place. And this is closed, and this is closed. And I have previously taken a piece of fabric and I folded it in half and pressed it. And I'm going to place that so that it rides up against this guide, and I'm going to stitch just a little bit to hold it in place. Then I will add my beads. The beads go into this slot right there. Have this nice beaded edge that could be the neckline of a dress, it could be on the edge of a napkin, could be on the edge of a ruffle, and it would be even less visible if I had used thread the same color as the fabric.